Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best waffle maker for Chaffles that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Oster Belgian Waffle Maker. Preparing the best chaffles is easy thanks to this waffle maker. It will enable you to cook large chaffles and waffles with deep pockets that absorb the syrup or sauce you choose to add on top. The 8-inch non-stick surface distributes the heat evenly to cook the chaffles evenly. The coating releases chaffles easily without the need for a scraper. It's also effortless to clean, so you won't spend much time cleaning the surface after you're done cooking. Unlike other waffle makers, this one comes with a temperature controller that allows you to cook different batters and recipes. As a result, you will be able to customize your chaffles and waffles, having them cooked just the way you like. Moreover, the Ready button lets you know when your chaffles have been cooked evenly. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Babycakes Waffle Stick Maker. This is an affordable waffle maker that allows you to prepare 4 sticks of waffles or chaffles. It's a compact appliance that doesn't occupy much space, and the cord wraps conveniently for storage. The non-stick surface is straightforward to use and clean, as you don't have to apply any spray before adding your batter. After you're done cooking, the surface will be easy to wipe clean without having to scrape any residue. The latch handle retains the heat energy to guarantee that your chaffles have cooked evenly. With the power light, you will know that your waffle maker is working properly. This is an excellent choice for beginners because the waffle maker comes with a recipe book to help you prepare different types of batters. At number 3, we have the Dash Waffle Bowl Maker. Whether you want to prepare chaffles, waffles, or tacos, this waffle maker won't let you down. It comes in 3 elegant colors and is quite affordable. It's lightweight and compact, making it an excellent choice for a smaller kitchen or dorm room. Thanks to its design, this waffle maker will create the perfect bowls of chaffles or waffles that you can fill with any topping. It comes with a recipe book that will help you experiment with it to prepare tasty snacks whenever you like. Your purchase will also grant you access to a recipe database to make different types of batter. It features a dual, non-stick cooking surface that cooks your chaffles evenly from both sides without any burned pieces. All the non-electric parts can be easily wiped clean, reducing the time needed to maintain your waffle maker after every use. At number 2, we have the Cuisinart WAF 2004 Slice Belgian Waffle Maker. This waffle maker features a Ready button that lets you know that your chaffles are ready to be served. There's an audible alarm to warn you from overcooking your chaffles and waffles. The sturdy outer stainless steel surface is resistant to scratches and cracks, guaranteeing that your waffle maker will last for a long time. The inner non-stick cooking surface is straightforward to clean after the chaffles have been cooked. This waffle maker comes with a recipe book, allowing you to prepare different recipes. And finally, at number 1, we have the Burgess Brothers ChurWaffle Maker. Whether you want to prepare waffles, chaffles, or any batter-based recipe, this waffle maker will be your top choice. It will help you prepare the perfect size of 3-inch chaffles whenever you like, because the maker is quite easy to use. You don't need to apply any cooking spray before using the waffle maker. After being used, you won't need to use a scraper because the non-stick surface is straightforward to clean. All you have to do is to wipe it clean, and it will be ready for the next batch. This waffle maker is quite affordable. It's compact and doesn't occupy much counter space. It comes with a 12-month warranty, and the outer housing remains cool to touch. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.